Welcome back to uGenesys, and today I'm going to give you a monthly report where we take a closer look at the performance of our uGenesys copy trading service. And I'm excited to share some updates with you today. As we reflect on the past month, we have made incredible success, but it's important to be transparent about the challenges as well. So let's dive right in. We began the month on a strong note with many of our clients enjoying consistent profits, and our community of traders has been steadily growing, and it's wonderful to see clients with different account sizes participating. We now have clients with $100,000, $50,000, and even smaller accounts as well. And this diversity is one of the hallmarks of our service. And speaking of account sizes, here are the profits we made today on some of our client accounts. Here on this $50,000 account, we made a total of $123.31. And on this $100,000 account, we made a total of $448.68. Now, we did experience a losing day during this past month, but as you can see from this chart, we are currently recovering. And on this account, we've made a total of 3.61%. And our primary goal here is not about making unrealistic returns like 100% or 50% a month, but rather about sustainable growth. We aim to achieve a modest yet consistent return of 3% to 4% per month. And it's all about having your money grow slowly but surely. And we have individuals from all walks of life benefiting from our copy trading service. And this is the best solution for traders who want some hands-free passive income. Are you in Jamaica and looking for a way to break free from the cycle of poverty? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. Today we're diving into the world of Forex trading and how it can transform your financial future. Forex trading is a global market where you buy and sell currencies. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere with an internet connection, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. By trading currency pairs like USD GMD, you can seize opportunities in the volatile Forex market. But remember, risk management is crucial. Educate yourself through online resources before diving in. Let's talk about passive income, the key to financial freedom. Passive income flows in with minimal effort, freeing you from the 9-to-5 grind. It provides security and more time for what matters. But here's the exciting part. uGenesys offers a unique opportunity. Copy trading. Imagine replicating trades of experienced traders automatically. And here's the deal. It's free to sign up with no monthly fees. We charge a modest 20% fee from your earnings when you're profitable. So for example, if you make $100, you give us $20 and keep the remaining $80. No upfront payments required. And it's incredibly convenient. Your profits can grow while you sleep. With just a 2% monthly growth, you can achieve a remarkable 24% annual growth, outperforming most banks and investment firms. It's a long-term investment you won't want to miss. And guess what? It's not just for seasoned traders. You can start as little as $10 or 1,000 US cents, but for the best results, we recommend starting with at least $100 or 10,000 US cents. Your money grows and you have full control. You can withdraw your profits whenever you want. We've partnered with Hot Forex Markets, a reputable broker that sponsors the famous PSG football club. So you're in safe hands. Don't miss out on the future of Forex trading. Click the link below to join our Telegram group for detailed instructions on how to get started. Happy trading!